What's going on, Andrew? My grandson, Andrew. Are these old or new?
The old.
The old ones.
Hey,
wow. Yeah, I see that. You've been doing a bunch of them, huh?
Yeah.
Getting a lot of work doing that? Look at that. Look at all these things now. I start getting these things steady, guys. This is my scrap stuff. No, either way, that's good.
Guess where they came from?
Where?
My sister's car.
No way. Wow, they're in bad shape.
Yeah.
Who did the work?
Tim.
Tim did it?
Yeah.
You ain't bending that, are you? Huh? Come on, big boy. Come on, big boy. You can do it. Oh, get your fingers pinched there. Ah!
You got cam on, right?
Yeah, it comes back. Huh? They got the Genie, the Liftmaster. That's the only two that I've heard of so far. But I'm sure there's more. I'm sure there's more of them, and I'll find out what they are as he brings them over to me. All right, everybody. So I decided to pull over a Liftmaster, half horsepower, and just start taking this thing apart. And like I said, he started this business just literally probably a month ago. Like I said, I'm just wondering what I could do with these chains. I mean, could these chains be used for something else? So, let me get this out of my way for now. This is the part I've been looking for. This is the part I've been looking for. Number one, we got a cord. Plug in. Some brass and copper. Might as well get it all. Yeah. Yep. I've got a place for that stuff. And then trash. What we got in here? That's my. Let's find out. What? Oh yeah, baby. I'll take a motor. I got a motor, so if we got a motor on every one of them, that'd be nice to find out if it's a copper motor, right? All right, what do we got to do to tear this thing apart? Oh, there we go. Done a few of these things. This piece of shred. Look at that pretty motor. A little bit of wire, not a bunch, but a little bit. Got a little bit of wire in there. Yep. These are all brass ends. If you can get them off, you can save them. I have a whole thing of them in the shop. It's just according to whether you feel like saving them or not. Like I say, I always tell you, that's always up to you guys. I mean, is it profitable to you? Maybe. There's another couple little things in here too, I see. I mean, you know, is it worth your time to cut off them brass bits? And if it is, I actually have, I'm not sure exactly where it is right this minute, but on the inside I know I have a brass bits thing. So if they're right in my face like they are right now, I don't have a problem with cutting them off. Throw that right in the wire bucket. Look at this goodness. I don't know, but I'm gonna pull off the. I'm gonna pull it off of here at least for this one, and that'll give us an idea whether it's something that we're gonna start trying to save, because we will be getting these fairly often. Is that board a low-grade board? Is it a low-grade board? I mean, it's got some. What do they call them? MLCs? They call it MLC? What do they call them things? Is that a low grade board, guys? Pretty much. I'm thinking there's not very much on there. There's a couple of these little things that have a name for them too, and that one right there, another one there and there. But I don't know enough about these boards to know anything, so I would say, is this what you would call a low grade board, and would you probably take off a few things to even get there? Let me see what's under these things. A little bit of copper, not much. Not really much under that. Copper and aluminum. So what do I do with these, Greg? I'm going to ask you. Silver Scorpion. What do I do with that? What I want more than anything out of this bucket is this motor. Yeah, it's just that motor right there. And I think that's where the money's at. I do. I think that motor's where the money's at on this particular machine. Let's see. That'll do it. And if I get a motor like that on every one of my garage door openers, Grandpa's gonna be in business. Especially if they come off easy. Not sure what takes it off of there, but I'm not done yet. Goodness gracious. What's good? Oh yeah. Oh, not much. A little bit of. Oh yeah. Here we go. Let's take it. Definitely some copper. That's nice goodness right there. Silver, what do you call them? Silver head pins, whatever. A couple of them in there. Oh, there we go. I'll probably just set them copper things right there. Right completely aside. For now. For now. Figure that out later. There it is. There. Small, more than likely copper bearing motor. If not, it's an electric motor at the very minimal. Electric motor. And this is, it's got metal in it. What do? Throw it right over there in your pile. All right, let's get this motor off of here. You guys can see what my hand's been doing. But right here is another. Oh yeah, I think it's loose. Ah, it is, but what keeps it from coming? There you go. That's what I was looking for. I knew it was coming off there. Shred. That's all I can do with that. So easy enough. Gives us one. Oh, is it copper? Oh yeah, that's copper. Completely copper. Now I'll take my grinding blade, grind that right off of there, and pull that right out. But in order to do that, I have to get this other side off also. There we go. I didn't think there was much. Holding that on there. There you go. Another copper motor. And we have a bunch of them. We'll be grinding them off here this summer. Coming soon. Just so everybody knows, I have a bunch of ideas for videos to make, and it's going to be mostly tearing things apart, to be honest with you. I have been super busy working on my house, trying to get it back in shape for the summer. So that's why I haven't been putting out any halfway decent videos lately. But I'll be back.